We all want it, that youthful glow that lights up our faces and makes us feel invincible, that radiant, healthy skin that seems to defy time and the elements. For more info, please email us on info@wishfresh.com or test on +61 4139755651 and mention your country to get link for free member account discount and free shipping on any order over $99. It's a universal desire to look in the mirror and see the best version of ourselves reflected back, brimming with confidence. But as we age, our skin's natural vitality can begin to fade, leaving us longing for that youthful radiance. Fine lines and wrinkles emerge. Dryness sets in, making our skin feel less supple. We might notice our skin losing its firmness and elasticity, becoming more fragile over time. But what if there was a way to turn back the clock, to rejuvenate our skin from within? What if we could nourish our skin from within, supporting its natural ability to stay youthful and radiant no matter our age? The truth is, true beauty radiates from within, reflecting our inner health and well-being. It's about feeling confident and vibrant in our own skin, embracing our natural beauty. And while a healthy lifestyle is essential, sometimes our skin needs an extra boost to maintain its youthful glow. That's where Beauty Focus Collagen Plus comes in, a revolutionary collagen drink designed to help you unlock your skin's full potential and rediscover your youthful glow, making you feel radiant and confident every day. Imagine a product that works from the inside out to combat the visible signs of aging. Beauty Focus Collagen Plus does just that. This powerful formula is specially designed with a unique blend of bioactive collagen peptides, clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our skin, providing structure and elasticity. As we age, our collagen production naturally declines, leading to those telltale signs of aging. But Beauty Focus Collagen Plus replenishes your skin's collagen levels, working from within to restore its youthful firmness and smoothness. With regular use, you'll notice a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking smoother, plumper, and more youthful. Have you ever noticed how youthful skin always seems to have that dewy, hydrated glow? It's not just a coincidence or good genes. That's because hydration is key for maintaining a youthful appearance. Proper hydration helps to keep the skin smooth, supple, and resilient. Dry skin can emphasize fine lines and wrinkles, making us look older than we are. When the skin lacks moisture, it loses its elasticity and firmness. Beauty Focus Collagen Plus not only boosts collagen production, but also provides deep hydration to quench thirsty skin from within. This dual action ensures your skin stays youthful and vibrant. This unique formula contains hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture. It's like giving your skin a big drink of water. Hyaluronic acid acts like a sponge, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into your skin cells, keeping them plump and hydrated. This helps to maintain the skin's natural barrier. This intense hydration plumps up the skin, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while restoring a healthy, youthful radiance. It's like turning back the clock on your skin. With Beauty Focus Collagen Plus, you'll experience the difference deep hydration makes, revealing a smoother, plumper, and more luminous complexion. Say goodbye to dull, dry skin and hello to a radiant, youthful glow. Section 4. Shielding your skin from within. Our skin is constantly exposed to environmental aggressors like ultraviolet radiation, pollution, and even the blue light emitted from our electronic devices. These environmental factors can damage our skin cells, leading to premature aging and a dull, uneven complexion. Protecting your skin from these harmful elements is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. Beauty Focus Collagen Plus is packed with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C that act like shields against environmental damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and accelerate the aging process. By fighting off free radical damage, Beauty Focus Collagen Plus helps to protect your skin from premature aging, preserving its youthful radiance and vitality. Section 5. Building a strong foundation for youthful skin. Think of your skin as a building. Collagen and elastin are like the scaffolding that holds everything together, providing structure and support. As we age, this scaffolding weakens, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. Beauty Focus Collagen Plus not only replenishes collagen, but also supports elastin production, strengthening your skin's underlying structure. Elastin is another essential protein that gives skin its ability to bounce back, maintaining its shape and firmness. By boosting both collagen and elastin production, Beauty Focus Collagen Plus works from within to firm and tighten the skin, improving its overall tone and elasticity. This results in a more lifted, contoured appearance, restoring a youthful definition to your features. Section 6. Enhance your skincare routine with inner nourishment. While a good skincare routine is essential, true beauty starts from within. Beauty Focus Collagen Plus works synergistically with your existing skincare products, enhancing their effectiveness and maximizing your results. By nourishing your skin from the inside out, you're creating the optimal environment for your topical products to work their magic. Think of Beauty Focus Collagen Plus as the foundation of your skincare routine, providing the building blocks for healthy, youthful skin. When your skin is nourished and hydrated from within, your topical serums, moisturizers and treatments can penetrate deeper and work more effectively. The result is a more radiant, youthful complexion that glows from within. Section 7. Embrace the Beauty Focus Collagen Plus experience. Beauty Focus Collagen Plus is more than just a collagen drink. It's a commitment to your skin's health and vitality. This unique formula is designed to support your skin's natural structure and elasticity, helping you maintain a youthful glow. It's a simple, convenient and delicious way to nourish your skin from within, promoting a radiant, youthful appearance that shines through. Each sip is packed with essential nutrients that work harmoniously to enhance your skin's beauty. With its natural citrus flavor and easy-to-use sachets, incorporating Beauty Focus Collagen Plus into your daily routine is effortless. Just mix, sip, and enjoy the benefits of healthier, more vibrant skin. Join the thousands of satisfied customers worldwide who have experienced the transformative power of Beauty Focus Collagen Plus. Their stories of renewed confidence and glowing skin speak volumes about the product's effectiveness. Embrace the confidence that comes with radiant, healthy skin. Feel empowered and beautiful every day, knowing that your skin is getting the care it deserves. Become an exclusive member today and enjoy special discounts, free shipping, and access to exclusive offers. Membership ensures you never run out of your favorite collagen drink. It's time to reveal your most radiant self with Beauty Focus Collagen Plus. Start your journey to healthier, more beautiful skin today.